Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to use flash fill in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So here you can see first name and last name. So if you want to combine first name and last name by using flash fill, so in this video I will show you how you can easily do it. So firstly select the first cell and then write here first name and then write you can see first name is Harper and second name is Trailer. So after writing the first name and last name, so then again select these cells. So after that place the cursor on the bottom right side of cells and drag to the lower end. So you can see all cells contain same name Harper Taylor. So then click on it and here you can see options, so autofill options, so click on it and here you can see flash fill option. So when you will click on flash fill options, so you can see all name combined in one cells. So guys, in this way you can use flash fill options to combine first name and last name in one cell. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.